Okay guys, so I'm here today with Mike from North County Screen Repair, and as I mentioned yesterday in an interview with Lem, this is one of the guys that we trade off work with each other. Here's a sign with his prices right here, and he's got a neat little setup right over here. This is his trailer. He comes right out to the job site and he makes the screens custom at his trailer right here. This is Michael right there, and he just takes the old screens, some of the old screens here, and makes new ones right here. See, got all his material back here, back of his trailer. Just cuts them up custom right here for you. See, puts the screen on, measured it out, all custom made for you. So if you need screen repair, this is Mike right here. He'll be glad to come out and help you out, guys. Thank you.